Hello and welcome to the Twitcher Life podcast, the show that talks all about birds and bird watching. I am the president of Twitcher Life, Arnav. Today I am going to talk everything about bird conservation, what it is and why is it so important and more. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what is bird conservation. Let me give you a scenario. I would like you all to imagine all the beautiful birds outside sitting on tree branches. Some may have a nest, etc. They are enjoying, but then creak and a loud buzz sound suddenly is heard. The sounds are from the trees that are being cut down. Birds are getting scared. They do not know what to do and what's happening. They fly away, and some are even harmed during this process. That is just one example of common dangers that birds face. According to the Landscape America, bird conservation is the practice of preserving bird populations and their habitats. It involves a range of activities aimed at protecting and restoring bird species, their ecosystems, and the natural processes upon which they depend. This includes efforts to address the threats such as habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and human-wildlife conflict. So you might be thinking, why is bird conservation important? Few reasons are that birds help humans with a lot of things, like preventing insects from eating crops, dispersing seeds to grow more plants, and preventing these diseases happening to other animals by eating the organisms that carry those diseases, etc. And what if those birds become rare or even extinct? Terrible things will likely happen, such as increased disease, less food, etc. However, we can prevent this bad stuff from happening by supporting bird conservation. There are many ways to help conserve birds. You can install bird-friendly windows that have a special type of screen to prevent birds from colliding into windows. You'd be surprised how many birds can get hurt from windows each year. According to the Bird Alliance of Oregon, over 1 billion birds are harmed in the United States alone each year due to collisions with windows. You can keep pets indoors to prevent them from hunting birds. You can plant more trees to house birds. Stop using harmful pesticides and instead use organic food. You can reduce and recycle plastics instead of just throwing them away. And finally, you can birdwatch to record birds and share them with others and spread the awareness of why bird conservation is important. These can eventually prevent birds from going extinct. Hope you learned a few things about bird conservation from our podcast. We will continue to go into details in further of how you can donate to bird conservation organizations or be a volunteer to support this good cause. So, with that, we have reached the end of the podcast. Please reach out to us by following us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Our channel name is Twitcher Life. Thank you so much for listening. Peace.